I thought today before we pack this up, I could give you a review on the H2OGO kids water splash slide. Now, this is all, we just dried it all out with a towel, but my son still loves to play in it even when it is dry because it's a fun little jumping pad here. So this thing comes with a hose that you can attach to your faucet or hose itself, and it sprays water down. It has a really good blower unit and a really long extension there, so you can get some space on it. But this thing keeps this thing inflated. We've run this, I mean, this is our 3rd year, so we've run this every summer. He loves doing fun things on it, as you can see. But this thing is so much fun for kids. All the kids in the neighborhood love to come over and play on this. And it's just so much easier than having a pool. I love this cute little, like, I call it the lazy river feature. It doesn't really get super full of water unless you're flat. But here he wanted to demonstrate coming down the slide, but it's still fun to play with even without water on it. But this thing has so many different water features. So there's this little tiny log kind of thing that is connected to water, and it sprays out, and it's kind of like a little misting. Well, it's not really misting. It's more like a little fountain sprayer. And then up here is the dump bucket, and that fills with water and dumps and gets the slide very, very wet. And then the cushion, or the holes for the feet, are very cushioned, and they easily climb up and down these. But this is just such a fun little toy, and I definitely recommend to keep all the kids occupied this summer.